Introduction to WorldPay SOAP API Best Practices. The WorldPay SOAP API is a secure and reliable way to process online payments. But to get the most out of it, it is essential to follow best practices. This guide will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for using the WorldPay SOAP API. Setting up the WorldPay SOAP API. To start using the WorldPay SOAP API, you need to set up a WorldPay account and obtain a username and password. You will also need to generate a client certificate and install it on your server. This certificate is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure that your data is secure. Understanding the WorldPay SOAP API request structure. The WorldPay SOAP API uses a standard XML structure for all requests. Each request consists of a header, a body, and a footer. The header contains your authentication details. The body contains the payment information. And the footer contains a checksum to verify the integrity of the request. Key concepts and best practices. One of the most critical best practices is to use secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt your API requests. This ensures that your payment data is protected from interception and tampering. Another best practice is to validate user input to prevent common web attacks such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Error handling and debugging. Error handling is a critical aspect of using the WorldPay SOAP API. You should always check the response code and message to ensure that the payment was processed successfully. If an error occurs, you should log the error and notify your technical team to investigate and resolve the issue. Testing and certification. Before going live with the WorldPay SOAP API, you should thoroughly test your integration in the WorldPay test environment. This ensures that your integration is working correctly and that you are handling all possible scenarios. You should also obtain certification from WorldPay to ensure that your integration meets their security and compliance standards. Conclusion. In conclusion, following best practices is crucial when using the WorldPay SOAP API. By setting up the API correctly, understanding the request structure, using secure protocols, validating user input, handling errors, testing, and obtaining certification, you can ensure a secure and reliable payment processing experience for your customers. By following these best practices, you can minimize the risk of errors, reduce the risk of security breaches, and provide a better experience for your customers.